Welcome and thank you for joining me today. Let's dive into something truly valuable and insightful. In this video, we will see how it is possible to automatically add borders around the data. For this, you have to select your range. We will select three columns. After selecting range, click on Home option, then Conditional Formatting. In Conditional Formatting, select New Rules. After selecting New Rules, click on this option Use a formula to determine which cells to format. After this, click on Type bar and click on first cell of the first row and press F4 two times. After pressing F4 two times, click on Format option and then click on Border. After clicking on Border, select Outline, then click on OK and again click on OK. Now as you write the serial number on row, the borders will automatically appear. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next one.